네, 안녕하세요. 새해 첫 수업은 1월 11일이었죠. 이 수업은 바로 Ultimate Pistol 4였죠. 저희 버진에 눈이 상당히 많이 왔기 때문에 이날 산 위에는 눈이 상당히 많았습니다. 이 눈 위에서 이 추운 날 장갑을 끼고 달리면서 또 총 쏘기는 정말 쉽지 않았고 도전적이었지만 끝에 저희 모두가 동의한 것은 이렇게 눈이 많고 추울 때도 연습이 꼭 필요하다고 모두가 동의했습니다. 여러분들도 눈이 오면은 나가서 사격을 해보세요. 그래서 자기의 총과 자기 자신이 추운 날 눈 위에서 얼마나 잘할 수 있는지를 한번 테스팅하는 것도 중요합니다. 네, 5번째 훈련은 피스톨 클로스 쿼럴이죠. 네, 현재 데이빗이 여기에 기록을 가지고 있는데 이날 스타카라 권총은 4개 사가지고 와서 정말 흥분하는 바람에 자기 호스터로 놓고 왔습니다. 그래서 시합했을 때 호스터 없이 총을 잡은 상태에서 총을 쐈어야 됐기 때문에 여기에서 모두가 어웨어 포지션을 하게 했죠. 이것은 뭐냐면 내가 실제 위협을 의식함으로써 손을 곤충 그립에 올려놓은 상태에서 사격을 하는 겁니다.
Alright, shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Two, three, three.
Whew.
Speed it up. 225.
Now, when you miss, you want to shoot it again. Because if you miss, it's going to be 3 seconds.
Wait, so are we doing red line or
Everything in the orange.
orange?
So orange.
Oh,
pop.
okay.
So
I see
on,
that. That's
so on this one, I missed.
Yep.
So I took another shot.
Gotcha.
So as long as it's in the orange, you were good.
Yep. Gotcha. Nice. 189.
Woo!
Very
Nice.
Two, yeah.
I like it.
Very nice. Very nice.
189.
Yep, clear.
Yeah, all clear.
Shooter ready. Stand by. Two, 229.
Okay.
I think one's out.
One miss.
261, one mic.
Yeah, that was a good one.
251. 251.
251.
Stand by.
Two mics. I feel the calm on my face.
I know it's rough.
What was the time?
166.
Woo,
Yeah,
166.
Two mics, though, two mics.
So you got 2 mics?
Yeah.
Woo.
That's clean.
I think we got 1 mic, right?
Is it?
Yeah, that's the only one that's not marked.
Okay.
So that's 1 miss.
Yeah, one mic.
What was the time?
Okay.
160.
I think two mics. Stand by. Nice.
Okay.
Speed wise. Alright.
He got 3 liners.
Yeah, 192.
Nice.
Nice, very good.
Yeah, one miss on that one.
Yeah,
mic
well,
on the
yeah,
left.
1 miss.
2.01.
Give me 1 second. Oh, no, I think that was all in that time.
I think so.
Oh, the 1 miss by the neck?
Is that this time?
Yeah, 1
No,
miss.
That was the before.
Okay.
Yep.
It was 2 flat.
Nice.
Make ready.
That was freakishly hard to rack the slide on, so hopefully everything's good.
Full mag?
Huh?
Full mag?
Yeah, it's full mag. Probably why.
Okay, you're ready.
Ready?
Stand by.
Nope.
Called it.
7.89. Nice.
I think I had a miss on that.
It looks like a line
No, I
break,
think you hit him
possibly.
all. Yeah, it's a miss. You didn't break it. Time 2.28.
Nice.
1.97.
Oh yeah.
Good job,
Make
Scott.
safe.
Make safe.